Hi, I'm Floyce Jerry from Africa's Closet, and today I want us to have fun making a few items that you could use this holiday season to decorate your space. So the first piece that we're going to make, or our first project, we'll be making this awesome African print inspired picture frame. So you will need a picture frame and a pre-cut piece of fabric. Now what I did is I took out the picture that was in here and I used it to cut my template. So watch what happens. Come. So this is your frame, and this is the back cover that we just took out. So it's pretty easy. You just take your pre-cut fabric, you place it there, make sure you iron it so that it's flat, and cut out your desired print from your African fabric, or the kind of elements that you want to show. Then what you do is you just secure it right back there, okay, and voila. We'd love to have you on board and do these awesome projects together. So thank you so much. Follow us on Instagram at Africa's Closet, and our website is africascloset.com. If you want to shop, do that as well. And don't forget to tell a friend to subscribe. Okay? Enjoy.